How to change the shifter bezel trim cover. This video will show you how to easily replace the bezel shifter cover. When the bezel is broken, dirt and liquid can seep into the center console. This is a common problem with Mercedes-Benz C and CLK models. Before you start, the wood grain trim is very easy to scratch up, so please be careful when trying to remove the cover. Here are the tools you will need: a small screwdriver and a plastic pull-out tool. Put the parking brake on to ensure the car does not move. Turn on the car and put it in neutral. Use the plastic pull-out tool and gently remove the trim cover. Disconnect the switch connectors. Remove the leather overlay. Remove the shifter switch with a small screwdriver. Here is the new shifter bezel trim cover. Replace the bezel trim cover. Use the screwdriver to screw back the screws. You have now replaced the shifter bezel cover. For more how-to videos, make sure you visit our channel at AutoTech USA.